Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Panibagong episode na naman po ng KP Boys React. It's your boy, Erwin.
Your boy, Jericho.
And maganda tong usapan na to tonight kasi
Ano ba yan?
Ano ang pakiramdam na mag-date ng white girl? Kasi I feel like tayong mga Pinoy, ginaglamorize natin yung Western culture and yung pagiging parang parang sa mga Pinoy kasi parang ang ano nila ay parang tawag dito yung ang maganda sa kanila is if you look like maputi, 'di ba? Parang yun yung mentality nating mga Pinoy.
Colonialism.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Parang ganun yung ideology ng mga Pinoy na what looks best is being white.
Or yung Western features.
Exactly, yeah. And magandang topic to kasi etong tropa natin na si Jack, nakapag-date siya ng puti. And I wanted to see na parang, I wanted to know na parang anong pakiramdam to date a white person like in terms of values, moral, and in general parang anong pakiramdam na makapag-date ng puti? Like, ano bro? Like, ano yung initial thoughts?
Yeah.
Initial thoughts mo na parang, I wanna date this white person.
Parang, well, not really initial thoughts yung pero yun nandun na kami.
Yeah.
Yung kami na. Parang, it was kind of like parang iba. Like, holy shit. Like
iba in what way?
Na parang, shit, this is not a Filipino anymore.
Oo.
Na parang, wow, I'm dating a different
culture. Ano yung differences, bro? Like, kasi as a Pinoy, obviously, like, parang kung magde-date ka ng Pinoy, culture is the same.
Yeah.
Like, there's a common denominator, like, in terms of, parang culture, food.
Yeah.
Sa mga puti, bro, like, ano yung, parang difference doon? Like, na nakita mo or na-experience mo?
So, like, culturally, like, alam mo, hindi sila gumagamit ng, how pag tayo kumain,
oo,
we use
spoons and forks, yeah.
They only use fork, bro.
Yeah, and that's real, guys.
Yeah.
Like, totoo yan. I'm living dito sa Canada for the last 13 years. They see it like parang ang weird pag gumagamit ka ng spoon, 'di ba?
Yeah, and ako lang yung nagturo sa kanya, yo.
Yeah.
So like, yung time na kami nag-date, she started using that stuff.
And ito lang, bro, do you think yung naka-date mo na puti is a little, like parang siya, welcoming sa kultura mo? Na like yung, kasi like obviously changes di ba? Parang meron kayong differences and obviously, may matututunan ka and at the same time, may matututunan din siya sa yung bago.
She was the type na parang, like she's open to eat yung cuisine natin. Like parang,
anong favorite niya na cuisine natin?
yung sisig.
Sisig,
okay.
That's good.
Tsaka yung, ano ba yun, yung manok? Yung inasal.
Amang inasal.
Yeah, kaya pumunta ako dun sa inasal, utay na tonto.
Automatic.
Parang, alam mo yung nagulat sila na parang,
may puti na.
Oh shit, like, di ba? Parang ako naman, parang, the heck,
like, in terms of, ligawan daw. Kasi alam mo naman yung parang,
iba.
Yung ligawan ng mga Pinoy is parang
iba,
romantic.
Iba.
Ano ang klase ng ligawan when it comes to sa mga puti?
I don't know kasi hindi mo sa pagmamayabang.
Oo.
Okay. She liked me first.
Okay.
Kasi nag-work kami sa McDo.
Yeah.
McDo. Na-find out ko lang na gusto niya ako.
Through someone else or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So parang okay. I'll do it. Parang doon ko na rin pinursu na rin siya na parang.
So technically, bro, nung naging kayo, you don't have to raise her up.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
yeah. Like guys, ito ang misteryo ng isang Jericho Jabbing na if you guys are to look back dun sa namin, sa episode about Riz Taker.
You would know.
Na parang
context.
You don't need yung Riz kapag the girl likes you from the get-go.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
It's matter kung hindi ka maligo ng isang linggo. I'm just kidding.
They'd like you still. They'd like you still.
Yeah.
Pero kasi, isa sa ito guys, not like sa mga puting nakakaintindi ng Tagalog, walang disrespect. Pero, kasi, if there's any stereotype sa mga puti, is hygiene. Kasi, ang mga Pinoy, malilinis yan eh. If there's anything na parang gusto ng mga ibang lahi na nagugustuhan nila sa Pinoy is malinis.
Yeah.
And isa sa mga pangunahing bagay na meron sa mga puti is like when they poop, they don't use tabo. It's sa mga Pinoy lang yan.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
Yeah.
And kumbaga ang tawag ko nga diyan punas puwet. 'Di ba? And I like
literally.
No disrespect. Parang yun yung kultura nila eh. 'Di ba? Pero like in terms of like that bro, like natuto ba siya sa'yo na parang gumamit ng tabo or like become like ano ba yung ano?
Hindi
yung,
parang ako ngayon mas natuto sa kanya eh.
In terms of what?
Like parang okay, like I guess like wiping your ass is the norm. So it's
like you mean like nagwa-wipe ka ng ass mo pero hindi ka na nagtatabo or what?
I mean kasi sa akin naman, kung nasa work ako, kung kailangan talaga dumumi,
it has to happen.
You have to. Like,
yeah.
And especially here, like, wala ka namang bidet or anything.
Or like, as a guy, hindi ka naman may dalang wipes, di ba?
Exactly. So, syempre,
you gotta do what you gotta do.
Last resort mo, syempre, di mag-wipe ka.
Like, tatay ka na talaga eh. Di ba?
Yeah. So, parang, na-experience ko rin yun eh. Di ba?
Yeah.
Parang,
yeah.
okay lang naman. As long as you like take a shower at night.
After pag-uwi mo, diba? Yeah.
Parang sa akin pag-uwi mo, like mandatory 'yun, 'di ba?
Oo.
Maligo ka.
Kasi otherwise ang lagkit nun. Ang kati nun, tangina.
Kasi kunwari parang like let's say nagkadumi ka dito.
Oo.
Pinunasan mo lang.
Oo.
It looks clean.
But then
it's not really clean.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
Okay,
but going back as yung parang on a bird's eye view, relationship wise, ano yung difference between dating a white person tsaka dating a Filipina? Ano yung mga differences na nakita mo?
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess kasi pag Filipino, they're more not really controlling but like yung parang
conservative or what?
Yung kunwari, you can go here or yung parang you have to text me, you have to like what do you call this?
More like parang assurance, security.
Yung i-update mo sila yung mga ganun.
Yeah.
I guess sa kanya, parang she don't really need that.
Oh, and I think that's a good thing.
Parang yung okay
hindi ka nasasakal.
Yeah, they're more open, parang ganun.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And you think na parang, is that a positive thing? Kasi parang for me I guess what plays in that role is yung trust.
Yeah. And sa akin, syempre like, it's a positive and a negative as well. Kasi parang
positive muna tayo. Okay, ano yung positive?
Yun nga yung sinabi ko na parang, okay, you can go anywhere.
Yeah.
Sabihin mo lang, okay.
I'm gonna go here and stuff and you don't need to explain yourself.
But then yung negative, syempre, gusto mo yung jowa mo, like, ayaw mo yung parang lumalabas ng
yeah.
Parang ganun.
Kasi you would feel like na parang you would reciprocate the same kind of treatment na parang pag pinababayaan niya ako na maging chill, like just say this, they would do the same thing.
Ngayon, chill rin gagawin niya, di ba? Like parang ganun.
Yeah.
So
I think that's fair. And I feel like another question that I have is, mas masarap bang magmahal ang puti?
Masarap.
Ibang masarap yan. But anyway, mas masarap bang magmahal ang puti or ang Pinoy?
Masarap ang Pinoy.
In what way? Elaborate on that.
Parang mas malambing mga Pinay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Paano ba maglambing ang mga puti? Like, at least on your experience.
Parang yung regular mo na lambing. Alam mo yun?
Anong regular na lambing do?
Parang,
yeah.
You know, like, shit like that. Pero kasi parang sa mga Pinoy, iba eh.
Like, meron silang extra care.
May extra yun.
Extra.
Hindi lang yung parang physical.
Oh.
Parang through like
acts of service.
Yeah, acts of service or Iba,
Yeah.
iba, ano pa?
Sa mga puti doyo, like yung naging girlfriend mo, ano yung parang love language niya sa'yo? Physical touch, acts of service, parang words of
Ang tagal na kasi, so
Yeah.
like, let me,
words of affirmation and stuff like that.
siguro a little bit of like affirmation and like physical. Somewhere there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. It was good. Like, I'm not like parang
Parang, yeah, like yung,
ini-hate ko yun. It was like a good relationship. So,
yeah. Pero ano yung ano yun? Like, sa mga na hindi nakakalam, obviously, it did not work out, di ba? Pero ano yung ano, parang naging reason para mag-end up yung naging relationship nyo, bro?
so like for us to like break up.
Yeah.
It was like the yung una, yung best friend.
Oo.
So parang doon na-realize pa ko yun. Pag may boy best friend yung isang chick.
Girl.
Like parang, it doesn't matter kung puti ka.
Or Pinay ka.
Like, that's like, oh shit. That's
Parang red flag.
red flag na sa
Red
akin yun.
flag.
Parang ganun.
So
Ay,
like,
yeah.
yun yung naging cause kung bakit parang nag-deteriorate yung relationship.
That's one of the things.
Meron bang ibang traits yung mga puti na parang hindi aligned sa values mo and moral as a Filipino? Kasi as a Filipino, we have a lot of core values na parang it has to be checked before getting into a relationship. And if you're dating a Filipina, or let's say for girls, a Filipino, I feel like parang automatic na nag-a-align yun kasi parehas yung culture na pinagkalakihan nyo.
Yun nga eh.
Yung upbringing mo.
Yeah.
So sa mga puti, bro, like ano yun? Like anong values yung I feel like hindi kayo nag-a-align?
I guess yung, alam mo yung mga boundaries natin as a guy, yung mga parang sa kanila normal na yun eh. Yung parang if I wanna go here, yung parang sinabi ko sa'yo kanina.
Na parang if they wanted to go somewhere else, they just have to tell you, but then they don't need to necessarily explain kung ba't nila pupuntahan.
Or there was actually a time where like, hindi niya sa akin sinabi. And then, she was like seeing this guy.
Damn.
Not in like a
romantic sense.
Romantic. We don't know. Alright? Like, but, yung ganon. Na
parang that's kind of sketch.
Parang
Delix yun, pare.
Delix.
Para you're tripping.
Parang,
like,
alam mo yun, like, cowork ko sa work, type shit. Alam mo yun, parang,
yeah. And kind of shady.
Diba?
Yeah.
Parang, pag sa atin yun, parang,
pero like, I think, yeah. Kasi, if you start hanging out sa another guy, na parang, this is just my friend. I feel like, come on. Magiging skeptical ka dun and suspicious.
Yeah.
From the get-go. Kasi,
sige muna.
By intuition, na parang, may gut feeling ka eh. Na there's no such thing as just guy or girl best friend. I mean, I'm not saying it's not possible, pero obviously, parang, it's gonna turn heads around. Like parang, come on.
And tsaka, I just wanna say na, I'm not saying all white girls are like this.
Yeah.
Like, I've only dated one.
Fair. That's fair.
So, like,
That's fair.
It's not like, okay, I dated this chick and automatically, lahat na lang ganun na.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
so,
tama.
Parang experience ko lang to. So, parang nakaano ko, diba?
Yeah. Pero ano bro, like, anong values yung na-pick up mo from dating a white chick na hindi mo nakita sa Filipino values and culture?
Parang wala rin, bro. Like, parang,
if anything,
kung ano yung good, meron na rin sa mga Pinoy.
So, yeah, you think na parang it's the same thing? Or like, mas maganda yung values ng mga Pinoy? Culturally.
I'm not really, I feel like I'm being biased.
Yeah.
But like, I feel like mas maganda kung Pinoy. Yeah.
That's fair. Kasi I feel like, culturally, tayong mga Pinoy, conservative eh. Diba?
Yeah.
And, sa North America, at least in my experience, mas liberated ang mga puti. And that's why they have like this freedom na parang I can do whatever I want. Kasi parang I'm entitled to it.
Yeah.
Na ganung klaseng parang whatever I do, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Kasi I'm entitled to do it. Diba?
Yeah. Tsaka like, pumunta ako sa bahay ng parents niya.
Oh yeah, actually, I'm actually curious ako dyan. Like, how does it feel na ipakilala ka sa parents ng isang puti?
Yung parents niya, they were actually chill.
Yeah.
They weren't like those like yung parang mga out of town na parang super conservative
Yeah.
na.
Yeah.
Who is this like
Guy.
na parang,
Kasi obviously like
you're not white.
Exactly,
you know what I mean?
exactly. Like this guy is brown. Like
yeah.
na parang
There's a different skin
like,
color like.
Yeah, parang like kasi like parang nandun yung yung parang clash ng okay, I'm actually welcoming someone
yeah.
na outside ng norm ko.
But it didn't turn out like that. Like
Yeah.
yung mommy niya, parang she's actually a nice person.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So like you feel like na nung una kang na-meet nung parents niya, they're welcoming.
Yeah. She even told me like her mom that like parang pasensya na kasi yung anak ko, she might be like parang masyadong ganito.
Yeah. Yeah.
Na parang alam ko na rin. So she knows like ano yung mga red flags ng anak niya na parang okay.
Parang like thank you for actually understanding.
Yeah. So she knows.
Yeah.
Tapos parang welcome sila yo. Like naalala ko yung yung morning ko dun.
Oh.
Yung pagising ko. Parang ako na sa movie.
In what way?
Alam mo yung sa mga movie na yung mga napapanood mo sa Hollywood. Like yung parang
for example,
they're cooking bacon.
Like yung
they're eating scrambled eggs.
Yeah, like yung
toast,
mga typical.
A toast.
Oh.
It's like that.
So it's real.
It's real, bro. So
like pancakes and shit and stuff.
Yung pumunta ako doon, it was like, oh shit. Like,
this is actually true.
yeah.
Pero like I was wondering kasi as Filipinos, sanay tayong kumakain ng rice and everything with ulam.
Yeah.
Hindi ba niya nakita na parang, oh, that's kind of weird? Kasi coming from a white person, they're used to like eating salad.
It was funny actually kasi nung naging kami, over time, I think she bought a rice cooker.
Kasi like na-acquaint siya sa pagkain ng kanin.
To the point na kumakain na rin siya ng rice.
Oh, that's
Every
good.
time I'm there.
That's good kasi I feel like guys, hindi naman ako expert pero kasi like I feel like for the most part yung sa mga na-acquaint ako na tropa ko na nakapag-date ng puti, hindi sila lahat willing, 'di ba? Willing na kumain ng kanin, kumain ng ulam.
Yeah.
And there are certain things na parang they just only accept to this point.
Yeah.
May threshold eh. Pero like yung chick mo or yung past chick mo, I think I commend her. Yung actions niya kasi like she's
open siya sa ibang
open
culture.
siya and she's accepting you as you.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
So it was nice. Yun yung mga nagustuhan ko.
That's good kasi I feel like dating a white chick, unang-una sa lahat is not easy kasi there's a cultural discrepancy.
Yeah. Depende na rin kunwari kung talagang born ka dito.
Yeah.
Tapos yung values mo, yung culture mo talagang hindi na yung Pinoy.
Oh,
then
yeah.
I guess parang
That's fair.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Like for lang guys parang explain lang namin kasi is for some Filipinos na born na dito, nag-a-adapt sila dun sa sa environment dito which is like mostly obviously kasi puti ang nasa paligid mo. Then you would adapt na yung attitude, yung moral, yung values, and yung yung technically yung culture and everything else and yung mga parang what do you call this? Yung parang behavior. Kasi yun yung environment mo eh.
Na-adapt ko na rin yun, pero na-keep ko pa rin.
Yeah.
Yung parang Filipino
Pero like, are you consciously thinking about like, okay, parang was I being, parang nababago ka? Like, gradually na, oh shit, nagiging mindset ko is puti. Or like, you're still like conscious enough to think na parang, no, I'm gonna maintain yung identity ko as Filipino and my values. Or there was a point na parang hindi mo na realize na, oh shit, I'm actually turning white. In terms of like, yung mga bagay-bagay.
Not really.
Yeah.
Parang it's a little bit about like, parang nakukuha ko rin yung side na yun.
Oh.
And I still have like
the Filipino side.
So parang
may balance lang.
Nagmi-mix siya.
In a good way though.
Yeah. And tsaka hindi naman siya yung parang she don't wanna like explore yung parang culture ko.
Yeah.
Like there's one time like not one time pero most of the time pag nag-drive kami, I'd be playing Filipino songs.
And she would be fine with it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
You know?
I think that's cool kasi I feel like yung take ko lang dyan is if you guys ended up being together, I feel like she's the type of person na pag-aaralan yung kultura natin, yung language natin to actually like parang maging mabilong.
Oh yeah.
'Di ba?
So it was good.
It was good.
Like I'm not hating.
Gaano ba kayo katagal naging nitong ex mo na to, bro?
I'd say like a year.
Oh, that's pretty good.
And 1 month like let's put the month there.
Pero ano ba yung like ano yung naging turning point kung bakit nag-end kayo? Aside from yung sinasabi mo kanina na parang, she's going out with her best friend and everything which we consider as red flag, ano yung naging pinaka turning point para sabihin mo na, you know what? I'm out.
Sa akin parang, like alam mo yung pag, kunwari may parang may gusto sa'yo yung, may isang lalaki na may gusto sa chick mo. Tapos yung chick mo parang, dead ma siya na parang oblivious sa nangyayari na he doesn't really like me.
Yeah.
Na parang he's just being a nice guy.
Like parang in denial.
Yeah, pero as a guy, you know.
Yeah. Kasi like you would know how to think.
Yung pinagawa namin mainly.
Oo.
Ang dami nun yun.
Yeah. And yun yung nag-cause. Nag-cause.
Yeah, na parang I don't know if she liked the attention.
Yeah.
Or she just really like, hindi niya alam. But I feel like alam niya yun.
You would know.
You would freaking know. Like,
you would know.
Come on.
And I feel like like coming, like parang just to extend yung sinabi mo na parang, if my girl knows that this guy likes her but then she doesn't care about the attention kasi she's committed to someone.
Yeah.
And that's a different thing. Right? I mean, like, this does not only apply sa puti, but obviously sa mga, like, Pinoy or anyone.
It doesn't matter
like,
what race you are.
Yeah, exactly. Like, it doesn't matter what race you are. Pero if your girl knows that I'm committed and I'm getting the attention elsewhere,
yeah,
I don't care. Kasi I'm like with a guy, you know?
Meron rin ako dyan na parang na-realize ko na totoo yun na parang meron ako one time yung hindi yung isa ko.
The mic.
Hindi to yung ex ko na to
Puti, to, Pinoy?
Pinay.
Yeah, Pinay. Okay.
So, may nag-DM sa kanya na na lalaki. Always DMing.
Yeah.
Right? Hinitap, pinakita niya sa akin yung screenshot. This guy is always, DMing me, right?
Yeah.
So sa akin, parang okay, then block him.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Tapos sabi niya, are you not jealous?
Damn.
Sabi ko, no. And then sabi niya sa akin, it's messed up. Like, okay, then I won't block him.
I think at that point, parang she's trying to, parang alam mo yung she's trying to provoke.
She's trying to get an attention.
From you.
Not attention, reaction.
Reaction.
Yeah.
Parang in a way though, that's actually kind of manipulation too. Kasi if your girl is secured with you, she wouldn't seek an attention from other people.
And love.
Diba?
So, nangyari yun, diba?
Yeah.
I said some things.
Mic mo.
I said some things na parang na-hurt siya. Diba? And then, a few months later,
Mike.
Binalikan namin yun. Tapos, sabi niya sa akin.
And this girl is Filipina? Or? Yeah.
Sinabi niya sa akin na the whole time, I actually wanted the attention.
Like she wanted the attention from the guy?
Oh.
Damn.
So the whole time, she made me feel bad.
And I think that's manipulation, like, bro.
Bruh. She made me feel bad for like saying, why are you doing this and that, blah, blah, blah.
Oh.
Tapos, later to find out.
Yeah.
Na yung pala talaga yung nararamdaman mo na parang, you know. It's crazy.
I feel like bro, like just my opinion. She's for the streets. Like shout out Hev Abby para sa streets. That girl is para sa streets, man. Kasi I feel like if you're giving your 110% to be fully committed sa person na to, and ang reciprocation niya sa'yo is to make you jealous using the attention galing sa ibang guy, like that's a no for me.
Hindi ka naman magsiselos kung meron
diba? Kasi I feel like exactly, like diba? Like if yung girl is nagbibigay ng rason para magselos ka, that's for me is like toxic. Kasi if you're like the type of guy na parang you're giving the attention that they needed, they shouldn't seek for more than that. Yeah. Diba? Kasi I think like you're working hard to give them the attention. Why would you seek someone else's attention, diba? Unless you're parang nineneglect mo sila. Diba?
Like how was it? Like how was
exactly.
Like
diba?
You know what I mean? Like
yeah. So it's kind of bad.
It's crazy kasi like parang may mga sinabi ako na parang sinabi ko sa kanya yung totoo na parang
Mike.
I feel like you're just doing this.
Oh.
Kasi you wanted the attention. Tapos parang after that, she made me feel bad about
yourself.
What I said.
And I feel like ginawa niya yun kasi guilty siya eh.
Yeah. And
diba?
Later to find out na totoo pala yung ginagawa niya.
Oh, see?
So parang napaano ka nun na?
Damn!
What the fuck?
I was right all along.
You gaslighted.
gaslighting, diba?
Like it's crazy.
Okay, so like going back sa pagde-date ng puti, ano yung mga takeaways mo, man? Like ano yung, let's say, if a Filipino, like let's say mga manonood natin na parang they're wondering na parang how it feels or like what is the experience of dating a white girl, ano yung mga takeaways mo? And like parang advantages, disadvantages, mga ganun.
Advantages, just like parang ipakita mo yung culture mo sa kanya.
Good.
And I feel like they'll happily like go with it. Mga ganon.
Yeah.
Madami rin yo.
Yeah.
Like matutunan mo yung culture niya.
Yeah.
Vice versa.
And that's good. That's good. Kasi parang it widens your horizons.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba?
And like just because she's white doesn't mean parang magkakalayo ngayon yung from a Filipina.
Yeah.
Hindi naman yung parang fucking alien na, di ba?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And ano yung disadvantages na nakita mo? If anything.
Disadvantages, let's say, kung iba yung values mo.
Oo.
Din doon kayo magka-clash, I guess.
Tama. I feel like that's true. Kasi parang parang if you guys have a different type of values, magkakaroon kayo ng parang parang disagreement.
Exactly.
Kasi parang parang iba yung binavalue niya as opposed sa'yo.
Yeah, pero I'm not saying lahat ng ganun.
Yeah. I think it all boils down to being open as and if you as a guy and yung partner mo na babae is both open, I feel like you guys would come to an agreement na parang okay, like parang isi-settle yung differences nyo eh.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So, like, I guess, anong payo mo sa mga tropa natin dyan na gusto mag-date ng puti?
You just go for it. Like,
shoot the shot.
Like,
and I feel like
it doesn't matter kung Pinoy ka or no.
Yeah. And I feel like sa mga puti dito ito lang ang napansin ko, like, since they are so used to like sa mga puti, ang hinahanap nila is brown.
Yeah.
Di ba?
I guess, yeah.
I feel like parang tayo, mga Pilipino, since sanay tayo sa mga Pinay, parang we want something different.
Yeah.
Diba? So, yun lang yan. Yun lang yung takeaway natin is like, kung you wanna shoot your shot sa puti, just go with it. You know?
Just go with it. Like,
and like, may matututunan kayo. Culturally, morally, like, in terms of values, everything. Diba?
Minsan kasi iba iniisip parang wala silang chance.
Yeah.
Bro, you
just
you
be you.
have the chance. I swear to God. Like, just do it.
And you heard it here first from our guy, Jericho Jogging. So, we're gonna cap it off dun sa episode na to about dating white girls. And I guess this is your boy Erwin.
Boy Jericho.
And until next time, shout out kay Kurt and Austin.